We are at Arches National Park, North and South Arches Trail. We're going to talk about XRP price projections for the end of the year, and I'll give a range. The lower end of the range, I believe, is around 25 cents. I personally don't think it's going to fall below 28. There's a big support around 28, 29 cents for the crypto, and even when Bitcoin's taken a high percentage dip back into the 9,000s range, it hasn't really fallen below 29 cents. Actually, it seems that below 30.5 cents, XRP has higher recovery momentum than Bitcoin, but above 30.5 cents, Bitcoin's upward momentum is bigger if the market goes up. Same thing, if the market goes down at below 30.5 cents for XRP seems to hold better, and above 35 cents, it seems to fall more than Bitcoin. So that's the analysis of the floor. Now, the same thing goes for the ceiling. Once you get above like 31 cents or so, it doesn't seem to go up nearly as much as Bitcoin does. I know that it's actually supposed to have an SBI launch and other things, but SBI was supposed to launch today, I believe, the 22nd, at least that's what the rumors say, and it didn't actually launch, so I can't really depend on the SBI launch all that much to pump prices up even more than they are now. And even if it does launch, I do think the price is going to pump a little bit and then just gradually retrace, because that's what happened during the XRapid launch last year. Sudden pump, retrace. SBI might be the same thing, a lot of anticipation towards it, but to me it's just another exchange opening at this point. So even if that happens, unless it happens like December 31st or December 29th or something, I don't think that price is actually going to maintain. So I do believe that the price overall for the entire market, including XRP, is going to be higher at the end of the year, because Bitcoin's going to be higher at the end of the year because of halvening and because of some institutional adoption as signaled by Grayscale Investments. So because of that, I put XRP's ending price range in the higher range around 58 cents. So my range for XRP at the end of the year is anywhere from 25 to 58 cents, most likely in between 28 and 55 cents. And I'm going to go probably in the higher end of that range because I think Bitcoin is going to rise significantly. So I would put XRP at a price of about 53 cents at the end of the year, unless we get something huge major. But since we don't really have anything to really go on, not really going to predict anything huge or major by the end of the year to pump prices up. So I'm going to guess about 53 cents at the end of the year. Bitcoin, I still think will be around 15K. And at that point, XRP should be around above 50 cents. If it's not above 50 cents when Bitcoin is 15K, then I think we're going to have some problems because there's definitely something wrong or something going on that we don't know about that's really hampering the price. If it's not at least 53 cents by the end of the year, there's something that like adoption just isn't going as nearly as well as we thought, or there's just too much sell pressure. There's not enough demand to meet supply, which means that no one's really planning on using it. And if that's true by the end of the year and it's below 53 cents when Bitcoin's at around 15,000, then I would have to reevaluate the confidence I have in this crypto. I still think it's a pretty good investment right now, but the issue is that if you're invested in this right now instead of other cryptos, you are losing opportunity cost. And that's something you always have to take aware of if you're taking the risk of investing in crypto. So let me know what you think in the comments. Thank you and have a nice day.